Welcome back to Course Number 9, Taxes and Paychecks. In this lecture, we'll focus on two key tax forms that every college student should understand, the W-2 and the 1099. These forms are important because they report income and taxes to both you and the government, and they help you file your tax return correctly. Tax forms matter because they provide official documentation of your earnings. They tell you how much income you received, how much tax was withheld, and what type of work you did. Understanding the difference between W-2 and 1099 income helps you prepare for tax season and avoid surprises. A W-2 form is issued by employers to employees. It shows your total wages earned during the year and how much was withheld for federal, state, and FICA taxes. If you work a part-time or full-time job as an employee, you'll receive a W-2 by the end of January each year. The W-2 includes several important details: your gross earnings, Social Security and Medicare contributions, federal and state tax withholdings, and any benefits like retirement contributions. When filing taxes, you attach your W-2 to your tax return to ensure accurate reporting of your income. He is an empty W-2 form from IRS. A 1099 form is issued to independent contractors, freelancers, or anyone who earned income outside of traditional employment. Unlike the W-2, the 1099 shows total income but does not show taxes withheld because typically no taxes are taken out up front. There are different types of 1099 forms. The most common is the 1099 NEC, which reports non-employee compensation, such as freelance work. Another example is the 1099 MISC for miscellaneous income. You may also see a 1099 INT for bank interest or a 1099 DIVE for investment dividends. He is an empty 1099 MISC form from IRS. The key difference is that W-2 workers are employees with taxes withheld automatically, while 1099 workers are self-employed and responsible for paying their own taxes. W-2 workers split Social Security and Medicare contributions with their employer, while 1099 workers must pay the full amount themselves, called self-employment tax. Let's consider Jordan, who works at a coffee shop during the school year and also designs websites on the side. Jordan gets a W-2 from the coffee shop and a 1099 NEC from clients. This means Jordan pays taxes on both, but the W-2 job already had taxes withheld, while Jordan must set aside money to cover taxes from the freelance work. Understanding W-2 and 1099 forms matters because many students have a mix of jobs. You may work as an employee and also take on gig work like tutoring, ride-sharing, or freelance projects. Knowing how each type of income is taxed helps you plan ahead and avoid tax season stress. To summarize, the W-2 is for employees with taxes withheld, while the 1099 is for independent workers with no automatic withholdings. Both forms are essential for tax filing, and understanding them now prepares you for financial independence and responsibility as you enter the workforce. This concludes our discussion about the key tax forms, W-2, 1099. In the next lesson, we will learn about the basics of federal and state income taxes. See you then.